I think I might just do a quick little launch right now. Hey, what's up everybody, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, really appreciate you stopping by. I wanted to get back out here, make a video in a car. So I've got the Subie. Basically, I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to do today. I do know I want to launch it at least once or twice. Maybe do a 0 to 60. I'm not sure. But anyways, enough talking. Let's get going. Alright guys, it's a chilly fall evening. Yeah, earlier when I was thinking about doing this, it wasn't raining or snowing at all, and the roads were actually dry. I was going to record this yesterday, but it was pouring out, so I decided to wait a day, and then thought I was good earlier, and then yeah, you know, it happens. But anyways, right now I'm gonna go and try to find a decent spot to, I guess, maybe launch the car a couple times. And I brought my drone with me, so I want to try to fly that up and maybe we get some cool pictures. So we'll see where we end up. Okay, so this road up here is not where I was thinking of doing this, but if it's clear for a second, we'll launch it. We'll see. Yep. That's not gonna happen. Something for you anyways. I have a feeling this is how it's gonna play out for me though. So that's why the place that I'm thinking of going should be empty based on what's already happened, you know. I could end up being just unlucky tonight and not getting to do much. Of course there's people out here, so I think this whole launching the car idea is getting scrapped, but I think I'm still gonna get the drone out real quick and get some videos. Okay, so the hope was to have time and whatnot to be able to set the GoPro out on the road, but I think I might just do a quick little launch right now. You gotta see this. You gotta see this. I knew that this radio was in here awfully janky, but this is the first time I've ever had this happen. So let me find a spot and I'll show you. She did pull pretty hard. I'm actually pretty impressed with that. Let me show you. Like I say, it's not like we were pulling incredible G-forces here on that launch. It did hook up and actually go pretty well though. I am impressed with how that felt. But check this out. Look at my radio. Bruh. Yeah, she don't sit in there very well. I'm gonna have to take a minute and actually get that back in there right, but yeah. I am impressed with that launch though there. If that didn't fall out, I was gonna see what my 0 to 60 was, but good luck doing that with the radio in there the way it is. But anyways, I guess I will throw this video together. It's not my best video ever, I know that. I used to use my drone a little bit in my videos, and I just think it gives it a little more of a unique vibe than just me talking to the camera. But anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. Drop a comment down below. Let me know anything else you would like to see with the Subie. And maybe give me some tips on how to keep this radio in there when I decide to do some launches. And as always, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.